Hi, we are still working on our Unit 4 Revise and Edit Test Review, and today's focus will be on revising drafts. We want to revise drafts so they have a strong thesis, a topic sentence, our topic sentences, supporting details, transitional phrases, clarity, interesting word choice, and sentence variety. So you will watch the video on slide 1. Read and listen to the passages on slide 2 through 6. Carefully analyze and answer each part of all questions. Use your sentence assignment notes as needed. Turn into Canvas for a daily grade when completed. So each of these, you're going to read the selection and choose the best answer for each question. And when you see a revise and edit passage like this, always read the setup for it. It's important. On this particular one, it says Adrian read about the Texas Gulf Coast. He wrote this paper to tell about what he learned. Read Adrian's paper and think about how it should be revised, then answer the questions that follow. This is called the Texas Gulf Coast. And of course, here is a link that you can listen to the rest of it play. If you play that, it will play the link for you. Many students say that. Okay, so there we go. So it starts. One of the main economic influence, so you're going to move on and continue reading and continue reading and continue reading and continue reading. And then once you get through the end and you've listened to it, then there are questions to answer. Pay attention. It starts off with a concept. A thesis statement is blank sentence. It's a number here that conveys the blank, position side, and the reason supporting the details. If you don't remember, go back and look up thesis statement. And then it says which sentence can be added after sentence 6 to offer a strong controlling idea or thesis statement. The hint is read the body paragraphs to find the answer. So I don't want to give too much away, but one of these is correct because it does the job of a thesis statement. Why is this the strongest and most effective thesis? Well, you've got to understand what a thesis does. Next is Adrian would like to add a detail to the second paragraph on sentences 7 through 14. Which of the following would best follow sentence 11 as the supporting detail? And so, again, you have to read up to sentence 11. So you want it to follow this sentence and figure out how it ends 11 and segues to 12. That's kind of your hint there. And then we're going to move on to what is the job of a transition sentence. Adrian wants to add the following transition sentence to the third paragraph, sentences 15 through 22. Where would he put this? While fishing makes us one part of the Gulf Coast economy, the region is also a leading vacation destination. So remember what a transition does. It transitions, and I'm not going to give too much away. But what makes this sentence a transition sentence? Why did you place it before the sentence you picked? So you're going to pick one. And then this one is, what does clarity mean? So type here, what does clarity mean? And the clarity or quality of understanding of sentence 19 can be improved by changing things, the word things, to, and you're going to choose one of these: stuff, Texas history, information, or what there is to know. And you literally have to go back to sentence 19 and you have to look at it and go, some people come to learn about things in Galveston, like in places like Galveston. Well, instead of things, which obviously is the wrong word, what do people come to Galveston to learn? What one of those words makes the most sense that fits this paragraph? And then finally, what is the most effective way to combine sentences 27 and 28? And that's where you have to use your skills. First of all, pick out the ones that are wrong. Which ones are written awkward? Which ones are written grammatically incorrect? Which ones are incorrect? And pick the one that is, so you want to pick the one that has a subordinate conjunction and you circle your commas. That's your clue on sentence combining, just like we worked on earlier in this review. And then when you're finished, turn it in to Canvas for a daily grade. And then you will have a quiz in Canvas as well.